Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the best products on the market so you can make informed choices.
Today, we're diving into the world of wood care with a product that's been making waves: Bay's food-grade mineral oil for cutting board.
Trust me when I say, this is the best wood-cutting board oil you'll find out there. Now, let's get straight to the point.
What makes Bay's mineral oil stand out from the rest? Well, for starters, it's specifically formulated for cutting boards made of bamboo, teak, and other types of wood.
Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a professional chef, keeping your cutting boards in top condition is essential.
And that's where Bay steps in.
This food-grade mineral oil not only nourishes and conditions your wooden cutting boards, but it also acts as a protectant, ensuring they maintain their natural luster for years to come. Without proper maintenance, your cutting boards can dry out and crack, diminishing their lifespan. But with Bay's, you can say goodbye to those worries.
Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use.
Simply wash your wood surface with mild soap and water, let it dry, then apply the mineral oil with a clean cloth.
Let it soak in for a few minutes, then wipe away the excess.
For new items, it's recommended to apply daily for the first week, followed by weekly applications for the first month, and then monthly thereafter. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. D-Flash raves, the oil is not super thick or greasy.
Goes on smoothly and adds a perfect finish and shine. And Monica Rencharski adds, absorbs quickly, dries well. We'll order again.
With thousands of positive reviews, it's clear that Bay's mineral oil is a winner.
Of course, no product is without its drawbacks.
Some users have reported issues with leakage from the bottle, which can be a hassle. However, the majority of customers agree that the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience.
In conclusion, if you're looking for the best wood-cutting board oil to keep your kitchen essentials in top shape, look no further than Bay's food-grade mineral oil.
With its high-quality formula, easy application, and impressive results, it's a must-have for any home cook or culinary professional.
Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique.
Until next time, happy cooking!